Bostonian Jewelers has been manufacturing jewelry for over 3 generations. We really specialize in bespoke jewelry. My inspiration always comes from my client first. We sit down and we brainstorm all the things that they've ever loved in nature or fashion, design, architecture. And I'll do some hand sketching. I'm doodling as we're thinking, as we're talking, and it's just coming to life. I've been here for 26 years. When I came here, that was really the start of computer-aided design. Really early on, we adopted some powerful equipment like 3D printers, laser welders. It's really propelled us into this subworld of technology where we got into designing with CAD, and that's when we found Solidscape. Currently, we have the 3Z Pro, the S360, and most recently, we've acquired the Muse. I started using CAD about 2001, and it was pretty rudimentary back then. But this is something I knew that we needed to do. This was the next step. This was where design was going. This is where manufacturing was going. Being able to use the renderings, having the client come in and look at this model is empowering for them. There's many aspects about being able to print my own designs that I value. Flexibility is definitely high up there on my list, being able to create something and in a very short period of time be able to see what that looks like. We have put our Muse in our showroom. Our clients really appreciate the fact that we use technology and that we're very transparent about how we go about creating jewelry. And it's easy on the eyes. It is beautiful to look at, and it's been very easy to operate. What we're creating for our clients, it needs to be spot on. Precision is everything. The Muse has been able to give us waxes that are comparable to any of our other printers. If we need to do something quick, the Muse has been able to step up. Either within a couple of hours or the next morning, we'll be able to send that out to be cast. The Muse has just really slid right into the family of printers that we have here.